Hi everyone, it's Mika Tro, aka Cat. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please and excuse the noise in the background. It's my AC on, so it is hot right now. I live in Texas, so it's hot. It's like see, let me see what the temperature is, because it is so hot right now. Like you can't believe it. So I'm gonna go on my phone to see what is the. Just give me a moment. So right now it's 97 degrees. It feels like 118, and we're under excessive heat warning. So any noises you hear in the background, it's my AC, so please bear with me. So today guys, I want to unbox two items that I bought from my phone in case I don't want to keep using my Sony ZV-1 camera to unbox or anything. So I bought two different microphones, and I'll definitely um, do a demo and a review on it. Just right now I'm going to do an unboxing. So I got two different ones, and I got these from Amazon, but I just want to let you know guys that I have bought two different microphones for my phone. I tried to test it out with the microphone I have on my shirt. I tried to test it out. It did not work great. It made like um, how do I say it, it made sounds in the background, so I could not hear it well or anything like that. So I just want to show you guys. So I got two different ones. I'm going to show you right now. So it's two different ones. So I'll open up each one and see what it looks like. So yeah, here you go. Let's go to an unboxing of these two wireless microphones that I bought from my Galaxy Note 10. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one. This one is this brand. I cannot say the name of the brand. This is what the box looks like, and it's wireless microphone. It has a rechargeable case, super endurance, intelligent noise reduction, wireless transmission, and here's some information in the back. So I'm not gonna test this out right now, as because I gotta charge them up before I use it. So I'm gonna open it up, and of course there's a clear plastic, so I'm just gotta be careful because usually sometimes I cut myself. Not always, sometimes I get. Okay. So one of those boxes, let me see. Oh yeah, it's those midnight ones. Okay, so here what it looks like. And excuse my nails, these are my natural nails, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I need to calm down small to regrow them. These are my natural nails, so okay. So it does come with a user manual. I believe this is the charging cable for it, so let's open it up. And it's a Type-C cable, which I already have. But you never know when you need an extra one, and I like that it has this Velcro to keep it together. And then here it is, the case. So I'm gonna see about it. Okay, come on. Whoa. Okay, so here's what it looks like. That's the brand. So it's like a matte black, and of course the charging cable. So let's open it up to see. Okay, so it's already turning on. It's green. Here is the microphone. And it's a clip-on one. I think this is where you have to let it charge. You have to peel that off. And here's the receiver. This is a Type-C one that I got. There's another VPON that you can get one for the iPhone that does have the charging case. And I'll put how much I pay for it somewhere here in this video. I'll just tell you how much I actually pay for these. But I'm going to tell you the price, but also I'm going to show you on the screen. So, of course, let me see how much you have to charge it for. Okay. Okay. So charging time's about 90 minutes, so like an hour and a half in a way. Okay. So this is what it's looking like. Comes with a charging cable, a manual, and everything. So the regular price was $49.99. So about around $50. But from VPON, there's in the video later in this video, I'll explain what VPON is and everything. So with the VPON coupon code for Amazon, it took off $34.99. So estimated tax was 15 plus $1 before tax was $15, and tax was $1.24. So I paid $16.24. Like I said, I'll put a picture right here how much I paid for, and everything, how much it was, or type in it. So let's go on to the next unboxing. Okay, so here's the next one. This one doesn't have a name. It's called just wireless microphone. And this one does come with two microphones. And the reason why I bought an extra one is because in case I want to have someone in my video instead of sharing the same mic with each other. So I'm taking out how much this cost me as well. Okay, so this brand is called Easy COLORIS 2-pack wireless. That's the name of this brand. And this one is very open, and of course there's stickers covering this. I can't tell you what it says in the back, but yeah. And of course right here, live video, something like that. Of course the burst box is a little bit different. Okay, so yeah. And this one is easy. You just pop it out. Okay, it's this box, so let me see if I can try to get it out. If it lit, okay, there we go. Okay, comes with an, oh, okay, how's it? Oh, I can get a gift card for $20. Okay. Gave me 2 user manual. And of course a charging cable, which I'm trying to open it up. Okay, so another Type-C cable, which I already have so many. Then it comes with the user manual, which they gave me twice. Okay, it's showing me how to do it. But does it tell me how long it needs to be charged? No, it doesn't. Okay. See, same manual. I think it's going to be different. Kind of. Okay. Of course, it has that little plastic. Okay, so on the top feels like a leather type. Same as the back, it feels leather. And then the side, it's just matte back, but on the very top, it feels like kind of leather. Kind of, not all. Oh, okay, no, it's not. It just feels matte. It looked like leather to me. Okay, so I'm gonna open up. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so here is the microphone. It comes in two pieces. So this is the receiver. And of course, it's a Type-C one. And here is what it looks like, of course. So that is looking like, so two manuals, the charging case with the two microphones and the transmitter, Type-C cable, Type-C charging cable, the box that came with it. So, and of course I get a $20 gift card, which I'm going to do that later on. I forgot to mention that clip, that part where I showed the second, microphone. So I'm going to put here how much that one costs and how much the V-phone costs. I'll take a picture of the screenshot how much I paid for that microphone. So I got two different ones. Like I said, I got Easy colorless microphone, which is the one with two microphones, which I'm gonna open again for you guys. With the two microphone and the transmitter and the charging case. Like I said, there's only got the second, and then the other one. Sorry, cut it myself up. And then the other brand, which is this one with one microphone. So I got two each. And the reason why I decided to get two, because one, I'm probably going to do a video on my phone with just one microphone, and if I want to do a video with my sister or someone in my phone, I can use this one to give them the second microphone. That way we won't have to share the same microphone. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link, like I said, I'll put pictures how much I paid for each microphone, and of course there's one about a VPN code. There is one for iPhones. It's kind of the same thing like this, but I think there's like a different brand. I'll find a picture and I'll screenshot it, put it here somewhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.